Hey there, I'd like to do an unboxing or a little bit of a show and tell about a product called the Sabrent 4-port USB 3.0 hub with power switches. And it's quite easily as it says. It's just as you're seeing here, okay? Got your cable, your USB cable. Comes in different flavors, but this happens to be USB, I don't know what, the regular USB connector. And let me open this up and I'll show you what you're going to get for your money. The package pretty good. Oh, it doesn't want to pull out. Well, we'll open this the hard way, okay? Let's see why it seems to be glued to this box. There we are. All right, now what you get in here, quite simple. You get a little USB hub and a cable. That cable is going to plug into either your PC or your Mac. And if you have to, you can adapt it, okay? You can actually adapt it. Now, the actual hub itself, as you can see, you're going to plug in one cable into the device, and it's going to break it out into actually four different USB ports. So you can have 4 devices sharing that one connection on the back of your computer. Now, the thing that's nice about this, if you may be using a camera, a microphone, headphones, and maybe like a phone charger, okay? These buttons on the top here, when you press it and it's plugged into your computer, you know, with the main plug, they'll power on, and that would go blue. That would power on and go blue. That would power on and go blue. And that would power on and go blue. And what happens at that point is then all of a sudden, those USB devices that you've plugged in here would actually power on, send a signal down this cable, okay? And then you're ready. All those devices will come up and work. Those 4 connections will work over one connection in your computer. So it's pretty cool, actually. I use them all the time for different things that I have. And in the past, I've even bought these with adapters so you can go into your Mac, your MacBook, anything. You can get USB-C, USB to USB-C connectors, USB to any kind of connector. Now, besides the box, it just says review the product if you need help. But I'm telling you, for the money, and I'm going to include a link in the description for this particular product. For the money, you cannot go wrong. It is an inexpensive, wonderfully working product that, you know, works as you would think it would without problems. I have never had one problem with this product, and I've been using this particular product here for probably about 5 years now without a single issue. So unfortunately, I've ripped the box apart, but I want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you find my informational videos helpful, and have a nice holiday season, and take care. Bye-bye.